All right, guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how we can create gradient texts with Tailwind CSS. Now, I didn't know it was actually this easy to create gradient color text with Tailwind, or in fact, with just normal CSS as well, until I was working on a client project recently and I saw the gradient text in Figma, in the Figma designs, and my initial reaction was, FFS, this is going to be pretty difficult to implement because I didn't actually know. I've been a web developer for 15 years and I didn't know it was this easy to create gradient colored text. So anyway, in Tailwind CSS, it's really easy and it's going to follow pretty much exactly the same approach in normal CSS. Now I'm going to apply the gradient text. We can see here we have a gradient text for headliners. And this site here is the demo project that we create in my Tailwind CSS course. So I'm just going to add the gradient text to this example project. So let's head on over to the code then, and it's this h2 tag here that we want to turn into a gradient text. So first of all, we want to wrap the text with a span, like so. Then we want to add some class names to this span tag. The first one we want to add is text transparent. Then we want a BG clip text. Then we want to set a background color for this span. And obviously it needs to be a gradient background color. So we're going to have a BG gradient and we want it to right. We can have it any direction. That's absolutely fine. But obviously the most common one will be to the right. Then the colors, I'm just going to add something like from cyan 500 to pink 500. And if you wanted to add a third middle color, we could also add via, and then that third middle color. However, I'm just going to have two colors from cyan 500 to pink 500. And of course, this will then give the effect here that we can see here already, this nice gradient text color from our cyan to that nice pink color. So it's literally that easy to create gradient text with Tailwind CSS.